In this video, we'll show you how to turn on the heat using shore power. First, you're going to want to press the power button to turn the system on. Then you're going to want to press the menu button to get to the home screen. If you're shore power camping, meaning hooked up to electric, you want to make sure that the system is set up for electric heating. So you're going to press the settings button. And then you're going to hit the prio button on the top right, and you're going to make sure it's set to the lightning bolt. If it isn't and it's set to the flame, then the system is set up for gas, and you want to press the arrows to switch to electric. Once that's done, you can press the back button. The back button one more time to get back to the home menu. The top section is where you can select the temperature for the cabin. So right now we have it set to 68. The shower head underneath it is your hot water system. So if you press the plus arrow once, the bar is halfway lit, meaning the hot water system is on. If you press it one more time to fill up the bars, you're now on a 30-minute power boost where it will do a supercharge on the hot water tank. So that's good for when you want to take a shower right away and don't want the water to heat up. Just something to note, when you're on battery, this would drain your battery faster, but being on shore power, it doesn't matter. So we'll just leave it at this for normal hot water tank. And then the last section we need to adjust is our electric power draw. So we'll hit the plus button next to the lightning bolt. Because we're on a 30 amp breaker, we can bring it up to 2 kilowatts. So that's max power. If you were on a 20 amp circuit using the 20 amp adapter for the trailer, you probably want to put it on 1 kilowatt just so when the heat runs or you do a water power boost, you don't trip a breaker. Now we're all set. If you want to turn the heat up, press the menu button, and then the first setting, hit the plus button for your desired temperature, and the heating system will start warming up the heating loop for that. Something to note when you're running the heat is that you're not going to hear a fan blowing hot air out like a gas forced air system at your house. Underneath the floor of the trailer, there's hot water pipes that run underneath, and there's a glycol system that heats that loop. So warm air radiates from the floor up, like a natural radiant system versus a gas forced air system. So don't worry if you don't hear a fan blowing hot air.